Say hey, guys.
Mm?
We're gonna do a bike check video and show you what we ride real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how well you can see it, but we got the Haro Thread 1 frame. We have Spank Spoon handlebars, a specialized stem, right? Yeah. Alright, then we have the Circus Expert forks.
Yeah.
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 And then we got profile cranks, just the regular ones. We got deity pedals, some random seat. We got Amy grips, if you guys don't know. Go to Amy, it's AME grips.com, and then use the code MTBDAD and you get 10% off. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
And we have Profile Elite hubs to top it all off.
Yeah.
That's about it. Their jumpers are basic bikes. I don't know what kind of chain ring I have, but then some Tektro brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah.
Nice little solid bike. And then my son over here, look at him. What kind of bike do you have, buddy?
Yeah.
Umatall. That's it. Yeah, Umatall. Right? Yeah, so he has a Strider too. I don't make these kinds of videos. I feel weird talking to a camera, but I'm gonna post it. Alright, buddy? Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.